Hello, I'm Masaru. In this issue, I will introduce Japanese takoyaki that are not round. Takoyaki are generally round in shape, but to make them, you need a special device to cook them. Today, I will show you how you can easily make takoyaki at home without this special equipment, as long as you have a frying pan. Please take a look at these authentic and exquisite takoyaki, which are crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. This channel is dedicated to simple and exquisite Japanese home cooking. I introduce various cooking tips, so if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. The detailed ingredients and quantities are listed in the summary section, so please check them. Let's get started with the cooking. The first step is to make takoyaki sauce. Combine sugar, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and honey in a bowl and stir well. In Japan, takoyaki sauce is often made with store-bought takoyaki sauce, but you can easily make takoyaki sauce with ingredients you have at home. With just this method, you can make authentic takoyaki sauce. Next, prepare the ingredients for the takoyaki. Finely chop the green onions. I recommend using the green part of the green onion as it gives it more color. Cut the octopus into bite-sized pieces. It can be roughly chopped. Add more to enjoy the texture of the octopus. It's quite a luxurious takoyaki. Next, make the takoyaki batter. Put flour and granulated Bonito stock in a bowl. Mix well, adding water about 3 times. And water a little at a time to prevent the flour from becoming lumpy. Add the egg and mix well. The takoyaki batter is now ready. Now, let's grill takoyaki. Heat oil in a frying pan. Pour in the takoyaki batter. Add chopped green onions. Add Tenkasu. Tenkasu can be left out. Add the octopus. Place the octopus about halfway in front of the batter. This is to prevent the octopus from falling out of the pan when the dough is folded. When about 70% of the dough is cooked, fold it in half. It's probably about 70% cooked. This is the most nerve-wracking part. I managed to get it right. If you make a slight mistake, it's okay because you can shape it later. Add oil to the empty space in the pan. After shaping the dough, turn it over. They are browning quite nicely. Grill for about 10 minutes total, twice on each side. It's getting a golden brown color. Once it's cooked this much, it's easy to flip it over. Now place on a plate. Pour the sauce over the takoyaki. Sprinkle Bonito flakes and Aonori seaweed. Finally, pour mayonnaise over the takoyaki and it is done. Let's take a look inside the takoyaki. The inside is perfectly juicy. The takoyaki that is not round and can be made in a frying pan is ready. Crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside for an authentic taste. Now, let's eat.